Meningitis can be a bad disease. There's 3 or 4 different kinds. The main kind is viral meningitis. That's relatively mild and doesn't really harm people, it just makes them sick for a while. Bacterial meningitis can be very bad. That's the one that can make you very, very sick, wind you up in the hospital, can even kill you. There's also things like fungal meningitis. This is the one that we recently heard about with the contaminated steroid shots. How do you tell if you have meningitis? Well, you have to be pretty sick to have meningitis. For example, your fever is usually pretty high, not low. Generally, you have the headache, usually described as the worst headache of your life. If you have a mild or moderate headache, that's one thing. If you have the worst headache that you've ever had in your life, then you gotta think meningitis. Also, you may have a rash, you may have a stiff neck, and generally people with meningitis just look horrible. So if you have a little bit of a headache and a little bit of a fever and feel a little bit horrible, that may just be a regular old virus. If it's real bad on the headache side and real bad on the fever side, then you gotta think about meningitis, and obviously you should see your physician.